Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. The Galaxy S26 rumor mill has been all over the place, with all kinds of confusion about which model Samsung's actually planning to launch. Some even claimed the base model would show up as the Galaxy S26 Pro, a clear case of copying Apple. And that naturally didn't sit well with a lot of Samsung fans. Well, it seems the Pro moniker isn't actually making its way to Samsung smartphones. Our sources tell us there is no Galaxy S26 Pro, and Samsung will launch the smallest model without any extra label attached to it. As we revealed earlier, Samsung has also halted development of the Galaxy S26 Edge, so the S26 lineup will consist of the usual base, plus, and ultra variants. The rumor never made sense in the first place. Samsung's smallest Galaxy S models may be feature-packed, but they're hardly special enough to deserve a Pro tag. And based on what's been rumored and leaked so far, the base Galaxy S26 isn't getting enough upgrades to justify such a name change. For example, the One UI 8.5 firmware for the Galaxy S25 Ultra revealed that the S26 will use the same camera sensors as the S25. Samsung will also use an Exynos chip for the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus in many markets after using a Snapdragon chip for all Galaxy S25 models, except the FE. While the new Exynos 2600 will be an upgrade over the current top-of-the-line Exynos, the chipset's troubled reputation may make some users hesitant to see it as a true improvement. The only substantial upgrade for the base model may be the battery, with the 4000 mAh cell being bumped up to 4300 mAh. Perhaps Samsung has something miraculous in store that it is still keeping under wraps, but for now, fans can expect the S26 lineup to stick with the familiar base, plus, and ultra models. The Korean giant isn't ready to shake up the naming scheme for its premier flagship line just yet. That's it, guys. With that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you are new here, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.